Ever thought your daily eggs were enough to keep your muscles strong after 60? I used to believe that too, until a simple doctor's question changed everything. Because guess what? There are everyday foods that pack up to 5 times more protein than eggs, and they can help you stay strong, steady, and independent, naturally. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 foods with more protein than eggs, proven by research to protect and rebuild muscle as you age. And some of these are probably sitting in your kitchen right now, waiting to help you feel stronger, walk steadier, and move with more freedom. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from, and how is your energy these days? I read every comment, and I'd love to hear from you. First up, Greek yogurt. Most of us know it's healthy, but the non-fat strained type has nearly double the protein of boiled eggs with 10.3 grams per 100 grams without the extra fat. What makes it powerful? It's triple filtered, removing excess whey and lactose, leaving you with a thick, protein-rich food that's gentle on digestion. A study found that seniors who ate at least 20 grams of dairy protein daily while walking preserved 25% more muscle in 12 weeks. That's real, measurable protection against age-related muscle loss. Pro tip, choose plain, non-fat Greek yogurt and skip sugary versions. Add ground flax seeds or berries, blend into a smoothie, or use it as a creamy dressing base. Next, cooked chickpeas. With 11.2 grams of protein per 100 grams, they quietly outperform eggs and bring something eggs lack: fiber. Fiber keeps digestion smooth, blood sugar stable, and inflammation low, all essential for maintaining muscle. A study found that older adults swapping animal protein with legumes saw up to 26% less muscle loss over time. Bonus, chickpeas are rich in magnesium, crucial for muscle contraction and recovery. Soak them overnight, then cook and use in hummus, stews, or roasted snacks. At number 8, quinoa. This tiny seed offers 14 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, containing all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. It's particularly rich in lysine, vital for muscle repair and collagen production. One study found that adding quinoa to meals boosted leg strength by 9% in 8 weeks compared to white rice. Tip, soak quinoa overnight to improve absorption, then cook in low-sodium broth with turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Use it in warm bowls, savory breakfasts, or stir-fries.
Next up, pumpkin seeds. With 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, they're packed with magnesium, iron, and zinc, all essential for muscle health after 60. A study showed daily pumpkin seeds reduced muscle inflammation by 38% in 12 weeks. Choose raw, unsalted seeds to avoid unnecessary sodium and sprinkle on yogurt, salads, or blend into a creamy seed butter. In the 6th spot, tempeh. With 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, this fermented soybean product provides all essential amino acids and is rich in leucine, which helps kickstart muscle growth, especially important as the body becomes less responsive to protein with age. Its probiotics support gut health, improving protein absorption. Try pan-searing slices with tamari or adding to stir-fries and salads. At number 5, Spirulina delivers 29 grams of protein per 100 grams with up to 85% bioavailability for easy absorption. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, reducing CRP by 32% in studies. Add a teaspoon to smoothies, oatmeal, or energy bites for a daily boost that can noticeably improve strength and recovery within weeks. Next, hemp seeds provide 35 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, along with omega-3s and GLA, which reduce inflammation and support joint health. Simply sprinkle raw hemp seeds onto salads, oatmeal, or blend into smoothies to support muscle retention and recovery. Coming in at number 3, Seitan wheat meat offers a stunning 39 grams of protein per 100 grams, with low fat and carbs, making it ideal for seniors managing blood sugar and weight. Its easy digestibility and meat-like texture make it versatile for stir-fries, sandwiches, and salads. Pair with vitamin C-rich veggies to improve iron absorption. In second place, Parmesan cheese with 42 grams of protein per 100 grams, and pre-broken down proteins it's easy for aging bodies to absorb. It's rich in leucine, essential for triggering muscle growth, helping prevent sarcopenia. Add freshly grated Parmesan to warm veggies or whole grain dishes to enhance flavor and appetite without overwhelming your meals.
And finally, at number 1, dried fish powder. With a massive 63 grams of protein per 100 grams, it offers almost double the protein of eggs and higher than many supplements. A study found seniors using dried fish powder daily gained 19% more lean muscle in 10 weeks without changing their exercise habits. It's rich in leucine, stores well, and blends easily into soups, stews, or savory oatmeal, making it perfect for seniors with low appetite or swallowing difficulties. These foods aren't just protein sources. They are tools to protect your independence, strength, and energy as you age. Even one small change can lead to a big difference. So, which of these will you try first? Let me know in the comments. You might inspire someone else on their journey to stay strong after 60. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next health-boosting tip. And if you'd like to support the channel, consider clicking the thanks button below. Every bit helps us continue making videos that empower your health and freedom. Remember, staying strong after 60 isn't luck, it's what you choose to put on your plate.